Hello investors, I'm coming to you with a brand new top 7 stocks to explode video. Now I wanted to explain what this top 7 list is. So basically everything that is on this list has some sort of catalyst. Most of my catalysts have to do with insider activity. I like insider activity because when someone buys a stock that's an insider, that they have confidence to spend their own money on it, and so I have confidence to go into that stock also. Although some of these are not the best holds over time, because a lot of times the news that's going to drop for it, or the reason why they bought the stock, is more than 2 weeks away, and so the excitement can wane on that stock and it'll start to go down. I don't want to own it while it goes down. I want to own it only when it's going up. So sometimes I'll be in a stock just for a couple days and I'm out. And you can check with me and see the different trades that I have if you set up and follow me on Stocktwits, which is in the description down below. But some of these picks are a little longer term catalysts, so I'll hold them for 2 weeks or a month, most of them around 2 weeks, and those are FDA approvals or PDUFA dates. Actually, I've gone up and I found as my average, this is my own research that I've done, when I buy a stock that's 2 weeks away from PDUFA date, that stock has a chance of, on average, or the average gain that I get out of a stock of that nature is right at 30% with the run-up over time. I've just had a lot of luck with that. And I never hold it through the news. I find news stocks to be very unstable, so I like that stable run-up that you get with it. Sometimes these stocks will really go crazy and they'll go way up. And if I see that, hey, I'm up 100% in a stock, I like to sell half my position. The reason why I like to do that is because then I'm just playing with house money. That takes all the risk out of it for me. So those are some of the strategies, that I have with this list, and I try never to day trade. So when I say I'm not a day trader, I mean I'm not buying and selling a stock in the same day. That's exactly what I mean, and mean nothing less. And I assure you that all of these stocks have some catalyst behind them, some reason why they're on here. And so let's just get to that list. Number 7 this week, number 7 for tomorrow is VERI. VERI is back. There's more insider activity, VERI, and I feel very bullish about this stock. It did race up a lot today, and the electronic sector is very hot. I expect that this will continue tomorrow, and so I'm hoping to get into this stock for a good price and write it up. This may be a 1 or 2 day just trade, 2 days at the most, so I'll try to enter in the morning. Hopefully I can get a good price, and then I'll write it up until the next day, and I'll see what it holds, see if it continues out, if the volume's still there, and if it is, I'll continue to own it, and if it's not, I'll sell it. That's what I plan on doing. Anyway, that's number 7. Number 6, REZI. So this had insider activity, and it was on the list yesterday. It did not do that great. I mean, it finished just like a percentage up. I had to spend 2% above just to get in it and pre-market. I didn't get a very good entry point. But, I don't think this is anywhere near where it's supposed to be. The insider activity is extremely bullish. And so I think, the volume tomorrow, even though we had a down day today, I'm expecting tomorrow to be a good day on the overall market. Do I know that's going to happen? No, I don't know. But I just know that based upon patterns that I would think that Wednesday would be a good day. All right, number 5. This is a stock that's new to the list. It's TTOO. So they have some pending FDA on a sepsis test that will make it easier for hospitals to test for sepsis. And this stock has been climbing slowly but strongly for a while now. This is a longer term pick in my view. This is more of a value pick, and I was kind of turned onto this by one of the people that I happen to speak with every once in a while on Stocktwits. And so just looking into it, I feel good about it. I think that there's big potential for this stock. I'm hoping for big returns. So that's number 5, TTOO. And then number 4, EPZM still there. And the reason it is because we have an upcoming PDUFA date that is next Thursday. So I'm feeling strong on this. I've made a good amount of money on this stock. It's run up pretty nicely for me, but not huge, you know. So I think there's a lot more room to run. The stock is worth a lot more than what it's trading at right now, and so I'm just a holding. We'll, you know, good things. Hopefully volume comes in, and we'll just keep going from there. I expect a run up to happen. And number 3 is AVID. Now, AVID did not perform very great today. It was on yesterday's list. It just, you know, it just did okay. Anyway, it's had insider activity. It's been very strong. I expect this stock to really move upwards. Number 2 is EVOK still. PDUFA date coming up, and we're just holding out. It had a down day today, but I expect it to rebound nicely tomorrow. And I'm sitting nicely up in this stock, so I feel confident that I'm gonna have a nice gain out of it. And so just keep holding it, keep going. So it could explode at any time. EVOK has a history of these big spikes. It's got a lot of what I call spikeability to it. So we could see it really pop up at any point. And number 1 is NBRV. So NBRV had a really nice spike today, so it went up 11%, and it's up in after hours again. You know, this was at $1.15 not very long ago before the direct offering. I expect it to go back to that space. It definitely is worth easily that. I think this stock is worth over $2.50 a share. I've said that multiple times. And so I'm starting to feel pretty good about it, that there's excitement. There's definitely lots of volume. Saw tons of volume today. So I'm gonna be in it and go from there. You know, I hope that this list is very beneficial to all of you. And if it is beneficial, please hit that like button, that amazing, most wonderful like button. It really helps out the channel a lot, and I'm still new. And so also, if you have any questions, or if you have any ideas for how to make this better going forward, if you could please I'd like to hear your comments in the comment section down below. And also, if you don't follow on Stocktwits already, my sign-in is down below in the description there, and it's Raythoven. And if you could sign on to that, and then also pull it on there and follow my posts, that will give you notification. And I appreciate all my subscribers out there, and hopefully you found this video very informative, and let's have a great trading day tomorrow. All right, thanks.